Hi Hazel, I'm going to be doing the video response to your essay for this week. I'm going to start by breaking down your paper from the first paragraph all the way to the end. The first paragraph is talking about the two paradigms, which are reindustrialization and deindustrialization. I did that backwards, but it's those two paradigms, and I did notice that you only provided a small and kind of broad paragraph for that. I wish you went a little bit in depth, really talking about the chains that allowed the Los Angeles to change, and how some factors kind of stayed the same, and that's something that was lacking in your paper. You did provide two paragraphs for the film, which is The Brick People, and I really like the fact that you did that, because I didn't provide too much information for that, but you did, and it kind of gave me more insight of the film and what you really thought about it. And then for the two final paragraphs, the first one talking about, sorry, I'm reading your paper right here. The first one is talking about discontinuous and continuous communities and how both are the same and different. When it comes to the similarities, we were both kind of in sync. We talked about how even though things change, there's still a little bit of the past embedded in the future, and they form like a blueprint to the future, and their foundations to what exists now. And so I like the fact that you provided that and that we both kind of saw it the same way. And then for the last paragraph, when it talks about why it's important to learn about Mexican American urban communities, I think we were also both in sync. It's just really learning about the other side of history that helped make America, and it's always silenced through education. And I also really love the fact that you tied in your last paragraph really beautifully. You talked about the park under the freeway, and you also connected it to La Rapsodia del Rio Grande, and I thought that was so neat that you did that. It really boosted up your paragraph and why it is so important to learn about Mexican American urban communities. All right, I'll see you on Monday.